Jai Srimannarayana. Third sloka of 6th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Arurukshoho Muneryogam Karma Karanam Uchyate Yogarudhasya Tasyaiva Samah Karanam Uchyate. Om. To reach greater heights in your profession, working hard is only the means. Vedic activities is only the means to attain spiritual knowledge. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma seriously asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma asking, come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall keep working hard. I shall keep performing Vedic activities. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I realize that I shall always remember that Rajogunam is the source for all sensual enjoyments, and I shall definitely keep on trying to see that Sattvagunam is dominated and Rajogunam is suppressed in me. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni, giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Brihadratha gave birth to Jarasandha, and Jarasandha's son is Sahadeva. His son is Somapi. Somapi's son is Srutashrava. And Jakhnu gave birth to Suradha. Suradha's son is Viduradha. Viduradha's son is Sarvabhauma. Sarvabhauma's son is Jayasena. Jayasena's son is Radhika. Radhika's son is Ayutayu. Ayutayu's son is Akrodhana. His son is Devatidhi. And Devatidhi's son is Ruksha. Ruksha's son is Dilipa. Dilipa's son is Pratipa. Pratipa gave birth to Devapi Shantana Bakhlika. Pitru Rajyam Parityajya Devapistu Vanam Gataha. Because Devapi abandoned the kingdom and went to forest, the next son, Santana, became the king of kingdom. Yam yam karabhyam sprusati jirnam yavvanameti saha. Santana has such a great ability by which if he touch anyone who is older people, they become young. That kind of ability Santana has. Like that Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 3rd sloka. Aru Rukshor Muner Yogam Karma Karanamuchyate Yoga Rudhasya Tasyaiva Samah Karanamuchyate. Aru Rukshor Muner Yogam Karma Karanamuchyate Yoga Rudhasya Tasyaiva Samah Karanamuchyate. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.